Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another weekly forecast. And yeah, let's pretty much go over what we spoke about last week. From the start of the week, I was expecting to at least get a push down and on the market open. We did get that, and then price retraced to retest the candles made from the speech from Jerome Powell, and then price basically collapsed to follow in this channel. As you can see, many of you know that it wasn't really trading last week. I was basically on a vacation, you could say. But I'm back now, and this week I'll be expecting to see what happens on Monday. You can see that price basically had this fall here, and then with NFP we've had a retracement, and we had a nice 100 pip reaction, which was a retest from this top order block here. And we're just sort of consolidating around this area. Now, as you can see, we're traveling within this channel. The usual expectation is for price to go back down towards 1680 again, which is the bottom of the channel on the other side. Now, if the top of the channel keeps getting tested on market open and price keeps pushing this level, I would expect price to push higher. If we basically keep getting something like this, what price could do is it could push up towards 1720, retest some of this liquidity because it's still quite a lot above. So if price wants to start making some sort of fake out, it could push up. And then if price pushes back down, then that's your sort of idea that that would be a fake out. And then price would want to continue towards the downside because, again, we are in a bearish sort of trend. So it's best to obviously follow the trend. Now, the other scenario is if price wants to push out and stay outside and like hold at this area on the Monday or Tuesday, then we could expect price to push back up towards that candle right here. I do feel like there's still a lot of unmitigated liquidity left along 1750, which wasn't fully tested at 1745. So price could shoot back up towards there, and then we need to decide on what gold wants to do. That could be a little sort of correction that we got from this bearish move, and then price could continue down. If you look on the higher time frames, on the daily, for example, price is sort of following that same sort of double bottom approach, like we're getting here. But since we're sort of coming from a long-term point of view from the equal high up here, which almost created, was it like a, yeah, it was almost a sort of double top that we had there. What we could do is come back down. I still want this 1680 level to be collected, right? And this could be an area where you'd see buyers start stepping in. Okay, so down at this area, so anything below 1680, just be careful on your sellers, on your sells, sorry, because so buyers will start stepping in and it could go against you. That's pretty much what I've got. So on market open, just to summarize, would like to see price continue its that bearish pressure after we retested this order block that we had from NFP. Price could just continue down, have a little retest, and then push towards down on market open. That would be nice to see to continue the bearish pressure for the new week. Otherwise, what we could get on market open is price to push up, fake out and continue towards the downside, or close above here, hold here, consolidate. If you start getting this, that would be like your idea that, you know, a bullish flag is going to be created for price to continue its move towards the upside here. So yeah, just gonna be watching this for the first 2 days of the week, see what we get and see which way we go. That's pretty much it. It's been late on FOREX. Peace out.